Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Airtable with Make.com. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and create yourself a new scenario in Make.com, or you can then go ahead and use a template if you want to. But in our case, let's go ahead and start with this one. And simply inside the automation, you then want to search for Airtable. Select the action that you want to do. In my case, I'll go ahead and create a new record. And then right after that, you just want to click on create a connection. So you then have to choose the Airtable token or key. Now from there, you then want to go ahead and simply navigate back to your tokens right here for Airtable. So just click on your profile icon, click on the developer hub, and then you want to create the personal access token. So just navigate through this option, create your own token, and from there you then want to go back to Make.com, paste your authentication key or token right here, and from there you then want to click on save, and you will be able to simply pair both of the applications together. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.